Ask and thou shalt receive. You guys asked for it, you're getting it. This video is all about my Eagle Talon TSI right over there. I am a product of the 90s. I've said it before. When I was in high school, my buddy had a 1990 Eagle Talon TSI that I absolutely fell in love with it. I had an Eagle Talon when I was in high school, but it was not a TSI. It wasn't the car I wanted. It was kind of the car I wanted, but it wasn't the car I wanted. So now that I'm an adult, I want to relive my childhood, and I'm building that car right over there. So right there is my 1990 Eagle Talon TSI, and that is what this video is all about. One thing before I get started, down here somewhere is the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button so you get to see all of our videos, and there's a bell somewhere around here too. If you hit that, you get notified every time we make a new car video. All right, now back to the Eagle Talon. Hey everyone out in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels channel. If you guys love anything auto related, you've stumbled across the right channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I am in the process of bringing back to life a 1990 Eagle Talon TSI. Which, if you're unfamiliar with that, it's basically the sister car, the twin to an to a Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX. It's an all-wheel drive 2-liter turbo. Before Evos, this was the Evo. This was the car to have when I was young. I wanted one when I was in high school. I never had one. A kid I knew had a red with a black roof, and I wanted it so bad. I'm doing it. I bought one like 2 years ago off OfferUp for like 1,200 bucks. 80,000 original miles. It's sat forever. I never have time to do these side projects. If you guys have a full-time job with a bunch of other side gigs, you know it's impossible to get your hobbies back to life. I have a 73 Mustang Mach 1 sitting. Yeah, 2 years now. I have a 240SX that's not running. Oh man, so sad. These things pile up. So I've learned to buy my time. By buy my time, I mean delegate, subcontract work out to other people because I'm too busy to do these things myself. So yes, I am working on the car, but I'm having other people do what they're good at. So I have a great friend, my best friend ever since childhood, very meticulous, building the engine on this Eagle Talon. Pulling something out of the graveyard today. Bought this old girl 2 years ago, parked it, never did anything with it. Let's see if we can get it going. 90 Eagle Talon TSI. Officially about to pull this car back from the grave. My 90 Eagle Talon TSI. I have a key, I have a battery. The battery doesn't fit because there's a dirt bike battery with dirt bike connections. Let's see if I can jump it. All right, so we got oil, we got juice, we got a new key, we have fuel. The question is, will it start? I have no idea. Oh man, it's getting there. Come on, old girl, come on. Turn, oh, almost. You're almost there, you running? Keys up. You're running, there we go. She is officially running on her own. Purring like a cat. So I have officially run into my first problem driving this thing to my shop, is it's pouring fuel from somewhere around the fuel tank, which isn't awful. At least I can get it the mile that I need to go, but worst, well, unfortunately for me, I only had to drive a mile and I did have a blowout from my weather cracked tires. And I would say that is a significant blowout. Fortunately for me, I have all of the original tools and toolkit and spare unused for this car. There's my baby. Project has begun. Cherry leather. Here's some updates on the Talon. Engine is out thanks to that guy. Car is getting all kinds of new parts, as you can see. Adjustable control arms, U-joints, thermostat. We have a starter, an AC component. I have so much stuff for this car to bring it back to life. I can't wait to get going on it. I'm so excited for it. Just about everything has arrived for our Eagle Talon TSI build. We have some Megan Racing coilovers. Our header's in, our timing belt water pump kit is in, brake pads, rotors, all new bearings. Just waiting for our parts to arrive from Mishimoto when we can start the build. Ta-da! Look at that. So clean, so pretty. Updated Eagle Talon build. Subframes all painted. Clutch is in. Engine bay gets painted this weekend. Time for some wheel restoration on the Eagle Talon wheels. I'm keeping the stock wheels because I absolutely love them. I want this car to look stock. So here we go. I got this and my angle grinder. I'm gonna bring it down, prime and paint it before. Uh-oh, I've come into a dilemma. I'm starting to like this machined look. Should I spend 1,000 hours into polishing them or just paint them? During, just about ready to be washed. Here we go, prepped, primed, wet sanded, ready for paint. And I know what you might be asking, Craig, why are the tires still on? Why are the center caps on? Why is the valve stem still in? Well, I was in a rush. I was rushed because somebody needs these wheels tomorrow with brand new tires. So now I'm being rushed on a project that hasn't been a rush at all, unfortunately. So here's the problem that I'm running into on this Eclipse. It's driving me freaking crazy. I have a buddy who is so particular, such a perfectionist, which means the car's gonna come out amazing. But it's a lot of work. So like these wheels, I want the tires off. I want to sandblast them down. I want to prime them. I want to paint them with the tires off. He called me yesterday. Today's Friday. He called me yesterday and said, "Hey, your car's almost ready to be rolling. I need your wheels and tires." Well, he had the wheels and tires. So I said, "Well, I want to paint them first before I put new tires on them." Well, I need them tomorrow. So that means today, Friday, when I'm supposed to be going away with my family at noon, now it's already 2 o'clock, I need to grind these wheels down as fast as I can, smooth them out, prime them, paint them, let them dry, and somehow get them to the tire shop so he can have them ready for tomorrow. So a lot of little headaches like that. I mean, I know he's going to do an amazing job on the car. It's going to look great. But these wheels are just like a glimpse of the headaches that have happened to this project. If I had known that he needs them today, I would have asked for them a month ago so I could have taken the wheels off, sandblasted them, painted them properly instead of rushing through this job, which is after this whole car is now August, started in January. I don't want to rush through little things now, like, you know, the little small detail work now. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am so pumped about these wheels. I wish I had time to take the valve stems and the tires off, but they came out amazing. Amazing. Watching I walk around like this, it looks like the wheels are spinning. Ready? Look at how good those look. The color is perfect. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. Love them, love
He's had it there since January. It's August now, so he's had it for about 8 months. I'm going to check out the results. I think it's going to start today. So today should be the day that we hear this thing running. Super, super excited to go see it. So let's go check it out.
There it is. There it is. Parked right next to two SCs. And there's my baby. Oh man, this car gets me so jacked up. It's going from this purpley silver color to red, which is what I always wanted, a red Eagle Talon with a black roof. My brother did the engine bay when the engine was out. We got the fresh intercooler set up thanks to CX Racing, the radiator thanks to CX Racing, the exhaust thanks to CX Racing. Brand new freshies on there. You remember I did those wheels. The wheels are looking fly as F. This car is awesome. The one thing that I'm so bummed about this car is the exhaust. So this car is completely original when I got it. It had the original exhaust, which wasn't rotted, which was in good shape. And he pulled it off, obviously, to do all the work. And then he asked me, and I was so busy the day, he's like, hey, can I just cut this exhaust up and throw it out? I said, yeah, get rid of it. He threw out the original muffler, and it's my fault because I told him to, and I forgot that I wanted it on here. I'm keeping the original wheels. I'm going with like the stock color, the black roof, and I forgot that I wanted to keep the original muffler. I thought that was just such a neat little detail, and we got rid of it. Where the heck am I going to find a clean 1990 Eagle Talon TSI muffler now? It's my own fault too. Check out the inside of this car. Original leather, perforated. So nice. Dash, not cracked. I love the pistol shifter. It has the original pistol I love these cars. So cool. This is such a cool car. If you guys don't think it's a cool car, you're not that cool then. This has got to be appreciated. Check out this engine bay. Oh my goodness. Adam, you did a great job with the paint. Dave, you did a great job with the block. So pumped about this car. Fresh turbo down there. Did that valve cover myself, thank you. Going underneath the car. So actually, let's start with braking. The brakes, we didn't use the original braking. Dave, what did we do these with?
05 Mitsubishi Outlander.
05 Mitsubishi Outlander just fits. You can see the clearance right there. Far bigger rotors, far bigger calipers, better braking in the front. Now we have, what did I use for coilovers?
Megan Racing.
Megan Racing coilovers. And I got, did I get new control arms and stuff? New control arms, new ball joints?
No, we just rebuilt the OEM control arms, new bushings, new ball joints.
Okay. And then rear control arms? No. What do we do in the rear?
They're adjustable
Adjustable tow rods. What other parts did I do to this? Obviously everything in the engine's been torn out. Going to give a quick shout out to CX Racing. So this is an eBay part. This is a CX Racing part. You can see how much better the welds are from CX Racing versus like knockoff eBay stuff. So shout out to CX Racing. He says it's probably not gonna run, dude, because we don't have a lot hooked up. A lot's not plugged in, but it's turning. It's turning. Our first leak though. Is that oil or
You're
power
fucking
sample?
videoing everything.
Everything. Yeah, I'm documenting this entire build. Oh, I found this car all over again. Ooh.